At Johnson and Perrott, we have some fantastic opportunities across a wide range of careers, from sales to after sales, as well as our administrative and supportive roles. Ensuring that we have the right people within the organisation requires an investment by us. With this in mind, we heavily invest in our training programmes, educational supports and other various exceptional benefits. These benefits include pension plan, life assurance, discounted healthcare policies, employee assistance programme, wellness initiatives, referral bonuses, continuous learning and educational supports, 2 loan schemes and also apprenticeship benefits.
Johnson and Perrott is an Irish and a family-owned company established in 1810. We recognise that our success is due not only to the loyalty of our customers, but to the loyal and hard-working team of people who come to work in our organisation each day.
Join our team. You can find out what roles we have available on our website jpmg.ie.